Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Also, take time to click that bell icon just below for notifications. On the menu today, we're going to make a really simple, no-cook, wonderful dessert. Really, really easy. Great for a kind of dinner party or something, really fast. We're making strawberry banana walnut whip. It is delicious, super easy. Let's go and do this. Okay, let's take a look at this really simple no-cook dessert. It really is delicious. So we've got some strawberries there, banana, nice ripe banana, some walnuts and some whipping cream. So what I'm going to do is get these into a food blender separately and prepare them. So we're going to chop those up nice and small. Half of those we're going to puree again in the machine. Same with the banana, and whip out cream. Okay, so as you can see, nuts are chopped there, banana's been pureed, chopped our strawberries, and I've kept half, and I'll just cut them up into nice little bite-sized pieces. And then our whipping cream. Now don't over whip your whipping cream, you know, you don't want it too stiff, you know, kind of quite light like that. I find that to be best. Really simply, we're going to get a bowl and we're going to fold this, not mix it, we're going to fold it in together, and it's done. So mixing bowl, in goes the chopped nuts. By the way, I've just held a few back for decoration on the top. Let's grab our chopped strawberries. And all of this I done in my Robo Chef, you know, like a kind of food processor with the whizzy blade. It even does the cream as well. Let's get that banana in. Let's get some strawberries in, the chunky ones. And again, just hold a few back for decoration. Then some of our lightly whipped cream. We just grab a bigger spoon and we're just going to gently fold this in. Don't mix it, fold it. I'll be back in a moment. Okay, and there you go. You've got a fantastic, beautiful tasting, very simple, no-cook dessert. It really, really is delicious. You can play around with the amounts as much as you want, but I love that. So, so easy. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.
With thousands of recipes and millions of views, why not subscribe to our channel and join the family?